Hey everyone, this is a Saturday market update on the equity markets. Just wanted to go over what we're seeing in the equity markets. We saw some buying came in the equity markets during the week. So here's the Dow. So here is the buying that came in. All right, made a low right here and pulled up. So we'll see, we still have a sell signal, sell short signal here on all of the equity markets. But we'll see if we can get some green candles in the markets and start moving higher. All right, we are in the markdown phase. So we are still in the markdown phase. You guys should see that here. Sellers are still in control, but like I said, we did get some buying up in this area right here. So still red candles, but prices made a move higher. You guys can see that there. All right, so we are starting to see some moves in heat seeker, and heat seeker is always a will give us a clue as to what the institutions are doing. All right. But as far as the indexes, we're still in a markdown phase. But market is definitely oversold. Let's see here. This is the S&P, right? So same thing with the S&P. So for the week, the market pulled up a bit. All right. So again, still in the markdown phase, lower highs right here, lower highs. All right. So we could get a move back up in this area here, and then we'll see how things move from there. All right, so we need to pay attention to the markets. The VIX has come down a bit. All right, and we have a red candle here on the VIX. Okay, so we could very well see the market move higher. All right, so red candle in the VIX. We're at 27 on the VIX. All right, so 27 on the VIX. As you guys know, as the VIX come down, it was at 30, almost 36. All right, so it's been coming down, coming down, coming down. And as you guys know, as the VIX comes down, right, that's bullish for the market. So it's at 26. We would like to see it get below 20. All right, so a number below 20 is bullish for the markets. All right. So that's the same for all the indexes. They're still in the markdown phase, but they're moving higher. Even the NASDAQ, which has dropped the most, it's pulling up a bit here. All right, still in the markdown phase though. All right, so keep that in mind. As far as the sectors, so we see all the sectors are down, including energy is down, and energy is down for the first time in a while. All right, so we're seeing energy, crude oil, that keeps coming down. All right, so they're not buying energy stocks right now, so be careful. If you're long energy stocks, be careful because they're not pushing that sector. All right, like I said, VIX is up but coming down. All right, let's take a quick look here at Stock Boss. So Stock Boss, we are starting to see buying coming into Stock Boss. Heat seeker for Stock Boss, and we've seen a lot of healthcare stocks, guys. So a lot of healthcare stocks, and we went over this on Thursday. And so healthcare is the sector, biotech is the industry. So a lot of healthcare stock within biotech are really starting to the big institutions are starting to build positions. Okay, here's a good example here. CTMX, nice markdown phase, breaking resistance right here, blue arrow here. So that's a buy signal. That's at 190. All right, so $1.90. All right, in Stock Boss. Bullmaster, same thing. We've seen a lot of healthcare stocks here in Bullmaster, and again biotech, right? Biotech. So there's definitely a move happening in biotech, all right, and in specifically the healthcare sector, right? Good markdown phase, This one here is setting up for a buy signal. This one here, all right, gave a buy signal right here and is moving higher in bull master, heat seeker for bull master. Okay, so we are definitely starting to see some buying come in, specifically in healthcare. Look at this, a lot of healthcare stocks here in heat seeker. Okay, so be careful with shorts. I think with Sniper we did 2 longs, 1 put as a hedge going into Monday. All right, so just be careful with shorts and puts, and look for opportunities to go long, but don't go heavy because we still do not have buy signals yet on the indexes. Okay, hope this helps. Have a good weekend.